Hello guys, how to think in English. I know if you are a learner then you have to come across this topic how to think in English, and many people, many learner, they are struggling how to think in English. And I know you heard this sound many times on social media, start think in English, start think in English. But how you can think in English? Is it easy for you or me? No, it's not easy. It's nothing like this. Why? Because you are in your initially day, then how you can think in English? So today I want to share with you how to think in English, and this video I'm making only and only for beginners who wants to speak their English language, but they are wondering, they are bothering themselves how to think in English. So first of all, I want to welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel Learnify today, and today's topic is how to think in English. So firstly, I know you heard this sound many times, think in English, but how? So I will tell you. So first you have to learn English words. Okay? Then you should start framing the sentence. Then okay, which types of word you should learn? Read, write, go, went, or eat, think, water, these types of word you have to learn. Okay? After, learn tenses. Okay, like past tense, present tense, and future tense. These types of tenses you have to learn, and again start framing the sentence. And if you are struggling to frame the sentence, then how you can think in English? Is it easy? No. Is it not? Is it easy? No, it's not easy. Okay, you have to do everything, whatever needs for learn for think in English, you have to do everything. Okay, then if you can understand English, if you can understand any book, if you can make a story, then you can think in English. Okay, so firstly start understanding, start framing the sentences and small sentences in your initial day. I know you are a beginner, so I am talking about like a beginner, what the beginner should do. So beginner should do framing the sentences, making the sentences, and understanding mostly. Then after start listening videos. Okay, and making short stories. You know, if you make stories, then you can think in English easily, because if you are able to make or create any story, so how you can, what you should do to make stories, you have to read small story books. Okay, like a one paragraph types of stories you have to read at in your initial day. Afterward you should start speaking, like a practice, shadowing practice with mirror. And you know guys, you won't believe, Mira is my favorite partner to speak English. Actually, at the time when I was beginner, I was, wondering how I can think in English, how I can improve my English. Actually, it was very difficult for me, and I was struggling at the time. But gradually everything will happening with me, and now I'm speaking English. I can speak English, and now guys, my child is here. So actually, when he comes, then I will become uncomfortable because he is making sound, and also he is very naughty and start crying. So he's disturbing me a lot while making my video, but yeah, it's my problem and I should manage, and I'm managing also. Why baby? Please don't cry, bacha. Okay, stand up. Come to my lap. Come. Come. Stand up, stand up. Come. Don't cry. So guys, what I'm telling with you, I'm telling with you how to think in English. Okay. So start framing the sentences and understanding, like start reading books, story types of books, and start understanding and creating stories in your own words. Practice shadowing practice with mirror. Or baby, what the sound? Stand up, come see. What the sound? Come, come, come. You know, guys, it's difficulties which I am facing, but my aim is clear. I have to speak. That is why I should speak. So when you able to frame the stories, when you make stories, then after you should start explaining in your own words. And please start shadowing practice with your mirror, because when you start practicing with mirror it will help you a lot. So please try at least one time, and then afterward you should start thinking English small sentences. When you read any storybook, afterward start think in English, what was the story, what was the sentence. And if you do everything these things, then that all the situation will become your habit. Okay, then gradually after passing some days, some months, you will able to think in English. But if you are forcing yourself suddenly, I should think in English just by passing one night, one day, and one week, it will not possible, it will very difficult for you. So please don't pressurize yourself. First start understanding, and then start practicing, and afterward start think in English. If you are unable to differentiate what the sentence, which types of sentence may be present, past, or future, if you are unable to differentiate, so it will very difficult for you. So please don't pressurize yourself. First learn understanding tenses or practice, afterward you should think in English. This is the my personal observation which I am sharing with you. I'm not sharing like any scripted or anything like by reading. Not. I'm just sharing about my personal opinion, how I am learning, how I am thinking, how I am doing everything. So these types of phase I faced in my beginning days, and I'm sure you also facing this all the difficulties. But I don't want to you face these types of difficulties. That is why I am sharing with you my opinion. Don't pressurize yourself to learn anything. It is a long process. It takes years and years maybe. Okay? If you are a slow learner, and if you are fast, then you can learn just by passing some months, like 3 or 6. But in my case, I am facing many difficulties. Sometime work, and sometime child, and sometime my personal body health. That is why it takes years. But now I can explain, I can manage what the people say, I can understand easily, I can think in English easily. That is why please don't pressurize yourself. Start firstly learning something vocab, making sentences, tenses, or understanding, and then listen and practice. Then you can think, you can speak easily. So this is the all the things what I wanted to share. I shared everything, I tried my best. And please do start learn. Don't pressurize yourself to learn anything, and don't give up. Gradually everything will become easy. Okay, so I hope you understand my video very well. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll meet till the next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day, bye bye.